taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough as
I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guessed. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got hard, I'm ready to change. Scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking.
Okay guys, so this is the sample audio of the Dji Mic. So napaka-handy, compact, and again guys, it's the design, the build quality, it's amazing guys. So it's like a solid rubber. So ano masasabi mo partner sa ating Dji Mic na bagong-bago?
Maganda, maliit, and yun nga, mas okay yung design niya. Mas okay siguro kung compare siya sa Rode.
Yeah, for the design, for me, I like the design of this Dji Mic. Yan, mas panalo yung Dji Mic sa design, sa texture ng ano niya. I think for the build quality also. I like the
carbon fiber yung texture ng mic.
And again, if you want to use this microphone to your mobile device, you have already the two adapters. Similar with the DJI Osmo action packet type of adapter. Yeah, astig siya. So you don't need to buy any adapter for your mobile. It's already included inside the bag or inside the box of this new DJI. Kaya pala medyo mahal siya. Actually, it's more cheaper or similar price with the for the Rode Wireless Go 2.
Maganda kasi may sarili siyang
if you have already
sarili siyang lalagyanan sa loob.
Yes. This is one of the best
So hindi siya mawawala talaga.
Yes, you have already your area where you put your adapter. So you have again the lightning and the USB-C. So we will make more tests guys, and we will try to use to compare with the Rode Wireless Go 2. So ayan, again, this is the initial test of the new DJI Mic. So panalo guys. Ito, pakita natin yung receiver. So again, this is the transmitter. One I use without the dead cat or this windshield, and the other one with Audrey, he used the dead cat. And this is the look with the receiver with Brian. Punta na, shoutout kay Brian sa PBK 2.0. At ito, ganito lang siya kalit guys, di ba? Napaka-simple, napaka-digital niya tignan. And ayan, napakaliit lang. So again guys, DJI Mic. So ayan, if you want to know the price, if you want to check the product of the DJI product, mic or stabilizer, and we have also the Mavic Mini 3. It's available now in AAB. So again guys, if you want to check all the DJI product, you can visit our website www.aabworld.com. If you want to know more about the prices, then check our website guys. Again, hanggang dito na lang. PBK 2.0 na si Palaboy FW, Brian Puntanar, si Audrey at si Julius. So hanggang dito lang. Thank you and mabuhay.